Hi, my name is Murilo, and in this short video I'll quickly show you how to seat your guests automatically. It is possible to automatically seat confirmed guests when importing your guest list spreadsheet file to your event. To achieve that, a few things should be correctly configured. Before you import your Excel file, make sure that all zkipster tables are set up on the floor plan. On your spreadsheet file, create a column with a header that contains the name of your floor plan, followed by the words Table Label. Also create a column with a header that contains the name of the floor plan, followed by the words Seat Label. For example, if you have two floor plans in your event named Dinner Floor Plan and Cocktail Floor Plan, you should have columns corresponding to both floor plans. So, Dinner Floor Plan Table Label and Dinner Floor Plan Seat Label. And additionally, you would also include columns for the Cocktail Floor Plan named Cocktail Floor Plan Table Label and Cocktail Floor Plan Seat Label. Your guests must be designated both a seat label and a table label, or a seat label and table name through your Excel columns in order to be automatically seated. Guests will not be seated without one or the other. The seat label must account for any additional guests, since guests with a total guest field higher than 1 will have their additional guest immediately seated to the right or to the left of the main guest. If you do not want to seat your main guest and their plus ones together, you need to account for plus ones using the Relationships feature. Please refer to our webinar Guest Relationships in zkipster, available on demand, to learn further details about this option. On your Excel file, you are additionally able to assign seating colors and other color custom fields, such as dietary requirements. You can currently choose from 20 different color options. Once you upload this spreadsheet, make sure the columns correctly match with the corresponding zkipster field. If you're using the Invitations feature and collecting RSVP status, please note that only guests uploaded with a confirmed status will be able to be seated. If you have any further questions, please email our team at support@zkipster.com. Thank you for watching.